If you want the ability to customize your home a bit and still stay in the $200,000 to $300,000 price point, then these builders and this community might be for you. So looking at Meritage Homes today and KB Homes, looking at their plans in this community. We are in Glendale Lakes and Rasharon, Texas, on the south side of Houston. And they've got some neat plans in this price point that I think you're going to want to know about. So we are looking at the Callaghan plan. One of the things that I absolutely love about Meritage Homes is their ability to have standard features that are upgrades with other builders. I think that's really a neat thing that they do, and they've been doing that, but more so I think lately. So you're really seeing it a lot more often in their different communities all throughout the city of Houston. KB Homes has a really neat thing that they're doing here also. They allow you to customize the plan based on the selections and the finishes that you want. They allow you to go to the design center, and while they have some inventory homes, they really want you, the buyer, to be able to pick what you want in your home. So they don't start on their builds really that much before you get in there and tell them what you want. So I think that's really a cool thing that KB Homes does that not every builder does. So I'm excited to show you these two model homes today. Meritage Homes has a brand new model in for their section that's coming up, and so I'm excited to show you that. If you're ready, let's go take a look at these. All right, welcome to the Callaghan plan. I love the plans that have a study, but you can turn it into something else if you want. So this is 1688 square feet, traditionally a 3-bed, 2-bath. It does have a study. You could turn it into a 4th bedroom if you wanted to. There's a covered patio out back, and I really like the way this plan is set up. Let me know what you think. Enjoy. did you think about this one-story plan by Meritage? Next up is KB Homes' two-story plan in this community. It's not their largest plan here, but it is kind of middle of the range as far as square footage goes. And we've got 2070 square feet to work with here. They went ahead and did the upgrade here by adding a fourth bedroom in to the first floor. It's off to the right-hand side. There's 2.5 baths here. There's a loft space up on the second floor with the 2-car garage. Let me know what you think about this plan. I think it's well laid out as well, and enjoy.